Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix iPhone lag and slow performance after the iOS 26 update. So without wasting any time, let's jump right into it. Solution 1. Turn off reduce motion. Open the setting app on your iPhone. Tap on accessibility. Select motion. Turn reduce motion off. Sometimes this feature can affect performance, so turning it off can make your phone feel smoother. Solution number 2. Reset network setting. Open the setting app on your iPhone. Tap on General. Scroll down and tap Transfer Reset iPhone. Tap Reset. Choose Reset network setting. Tap again to confirm. This can fix any lags caused by network or connectivity issues. Solution number 3. Turn off background app refresh. Go to Setting app on your iPhone. Tap on General. Scroll down and tap Background app refresh. Tap again and select Off. Turning this off stops apps from refreshing in the background, which help improve speed and battery life. Solution number 4. Check for software update. Open Setting app on your iPhone. Tap on General. Select Software update. If an update is available, tap Download and install. Sometimes Apple releases updates that fix performance bugs, so keeping your iPhone updating is always a good idea. Solution number 5. Check storage space. Open Setting app on your iPhone. Tap on General. Select iPhone storage. Check how much space is left and delete any unused apps, photos or files. And that's it for today's video. If this helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.